Hi, my name is Alex, CTO at Centric, and today I wanted to show you Centric WordPress integration. Centric has a real-time integration with WordPress websites. So basically, through an backend API, you are able to implement an online reservation website on your existing WordPress website. Or if you don't have the website, we can help you set up a domain and also set up the hosting package that hosts WordPress, which then we can implement the WordPress website for you. So as you can see here, once we implement this with your logos, branding, and color schemes, your customers are able to go online and get information about your website and also enter the locations that they would like to book, select the dates, and search for the vehicles. This provides them with real-time rating, pictures, and availability information on your vehicles. They can click select add-on options, and continue to booking the vehicle. This website is also fully responsive, and the customers are able to create reservations on their mobile device, tablet, or desktop computers. So we offer two templates, the one that you can see here and a second one, which is a one-pager template that we are able to receive your logos, branding, and colors and your information, and we can apply it to this page as well. And you can offer this to your customers to create an online reservation page. So also, if you have an existing website, existing WordPress website, you can provide us the information and provide us the placeholder for the real-time reservation integration piece or the widget, and we will go ahead and place it in your existing website without touching any of the other pieces that you have developed over the years. And also, once this site is set up, regardless through us or through you, you can always go back in and customize and modify the website as an ongoing basis, since you have full control on your own domain and on your own hosting. So if you have any more questions about this add-on option and the pricing, please make sure to contact us at sales@rencentric.com or visit us at www.rencentric.com. Thank you.